Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to do the final touches to the chess clock that we were making. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the pause button clickable. We're gonna have pause dot set on click listener if A equals 2, and we'll make pause dot set background resource I dot drawable dot I IC baseline play arrow 24 colon A semicolon A equals 1 timer on equals true semicolon time, which is the function that we made in the last video. Next, we're going to have an else if statement. Else if A equals 1, pause dot set background resource R dot drawable dot IC baseline pause 24 semicolon A equals 2 semicolon timer on equals false. So when they hit the pause button, the first thing that will pop up will make it false. The first thing that will pop up will make it true, so it'll play the timer. And then when they hit it again, it'll stop the timer. If they hit it again, it'll play the timer over and over again. After that, we have the settings button. So the settings button will be dot set on click listener. We'll have time dot visibility equal view dot visible. We'll have button dot visibility equal view dot visible. Inside of it, we'll continue it. Inside the braces, we'll have the button dot set on click listener to times 1 equal time dot text dot 2 string semicolon time 1 equals times 1 dot 2 int. Another semicolon time 2 equal times 1 dot 2 int, which transfer the text that we made from the user input from the settings button that pops up for us to change the time from string to number, so we can use it as a time. Then we'll have time visibility after hitting the close button to be invisible, which will be off. Invisible, so invisible. We'll have the button to be invisible, and we'll have player 1 dot text equals times 1 colon 00. Another semicolon will make player 2 dot text equals times 1 colon 00. And that's the button for settings. Then we will do the reset. Restart a restart button. So if we go back to the activity made, restart button, we called it reset. So reset dot set on click listener, start activity intent parentheses this main activity colon class dot Java, which will just rerun the whole class program that we made. Then we have the player. So player one, when it gets click, it should just move over to player two. So player one dot set on click listener. If A equals 1 and B equals 1, then player on equals 2 colon player 1 dot set background color to color dot RGB 149 149 149, and we'll make the text color for player 1 black. So the 149 149 149, and we'll make the text color black. RGB. Then we'll do the same for player 2. Set background color. So set background color. Color dot RGB. And this color would be 244 for red, comma 182 for green, and 59 for blue. And we'll make that text white. So player 2 dot set text color dot white colon B equals 2 colon time, and it'll play the function for time. Okay, and then this one, make sure for the if statement, the braces, it goes all the way at the end after time. And then after you do that, you would want to copy and paste this one and change player 1 to player 2, player 2 to player 1. So I'll show you right now. Player 1 to player 2, player 1, player 2, and that's what it should look like. It'll be A equals 1 and B equals 2. Player on will be 1, and B equals 1. Now I will run it and show you what it looks like. So it just finished loading, and this is what the app looks like. When you hit the play button, it'll start down the countdown. When you hit the one side, it'll switch and go to the other side. And it goes back and forth, back and forth. until you hit the pause button, which stops both sides. Then you can hit the reset and it will reset it to both the original 5 minutes. You can go to settings and make any time you want. So like you can make 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes. If you hit the play button, starts counting down from 2 minutes. And that's it for the chess clock. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!